Thanks. Tonight, the City Council in Bloomington passed a resolution that advocates say shows the city's support for transgender people. This move tonight comes a year after our state passed a law banning gender-affirming care for transgender youth. Our Emily Longnecker was at tonight's meeting. So Emily, break this down for us, please.
Yeah, the resolution calls for designating the city of Bloomington as a safe haven for gender-affirming health care. And tonight, Bloomington City Council passed that resolution unanimously.
Joyfully, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wednesday's vote by the council was greeted by cheers from those who supported the resolution. The vote comes more than a year after another vote, this one by the state legislature. That vote on Senate Bill 480 led to the passage of a law banning doctors from prescribing and Hoosier parents from giving their transgender children any kind of medicine that would delay puberty.
I feel the need to defend our family.
Mom Beth Clausen told council what it's been like for her transgender daughter and their family since Senate Bill 480 became law.
Logistically, the gender-affirming ban has been a burden for our family as well. We can no longer speak to any of our daughter's doctors about anything involving gender-affirming care. I have taken large swaths of time off of work to reach out to doctors out of state to make appointments, to get her medical records into my hands and then transfer them myself to the doctor's office out of state.
Most who spoke at Wednesday's meeting were in support of the resolution, but not everyone was.
You can make a proclamation that separates our town from the rest of the state, but it's still wrong. Affirming care denies science, which every high school student knows or used to, that a man has XY chromosomes and a woman has XX. DNA is present in every cell. You can fool yourself thinking you're the sex you're not just because you're taking hormones.
Under the resolution, the city would adjust its enforcement priorities to ensure that laws or regulations punishing people for seeking or providing gender-affirming care would not be prioritized by city officials. So what does this resolution really do? Well, it does not supersede state law, meaning the ban on gender-affirming health care for transgender youth still exists here in the city of Bloomington. One city councilor telling me tonight that tonight's passage was really a ceremonial gesture to show support for the transgender community and their families. Even so, many here on council tonight and in the community saying they were very proud of this passage, saying they believe it is the first resolution of its kind in the state. In Bloomington, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.